Hello everyone, welcome to the Helm of Science. So I hope that all of you are safe and sound. So in the previous video, we have discussed the important formulas of transformation of sums and products, and we have solved some important problems regarding that. So today we will do some more critical problems that are important from this chapter. So let's get started. So let's come to the first question. It is given, prove that cos 32 degree sine 20 degree plus cos 144 degree cos 2 degree plus sine 68 degree cos 56 degree equals to 0. So at first we take the LHS. So what is given? It is cos 32 degree sine 20 degree plus cos 144 degree cos 2 degree plus sine 68 degree cos 56 degree. Okay, so what will I do here? We will just simply just we divide and multiplied the each term by 2. So we will get half outside. It is 2 cos 32 degree sine 20 plus 2 cos 144 degree cos 2 degree plus 2 sine 68 degree cos 56 degree. Okay, so we have multiplied and divide the each term by 2. Okay, so it is half outside. Now you can see that the first term, that is 2 cos 32 sine 20, it is in the form of 2 cos a sine b. So we can write it as sine of 32 plus 20, that means sine of a plus b. It is minus sine of 32 degree minus 20 degree. Okay, now the second one, it is 2 cos a cos b form, so it is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Okay, the next one, it is 2 sine 68 cos 56, that is 2 sine a cos b form, so it is sine of 68 plus 56 plus sine of 68 minus 56. Okay, now it is half outside. It is what? It is sine 52. It is what? It is sine 12 plus it is cos 146. It is cos 142. It is sine 124, and it is sine 12. Okay, now you can see from this that sine 12 and minus sine 12 is getting cancelled. So it is actually what? Sine 52 plus cos 146 plus cos 142 plus sine, it is actually what? 124. Okay, now this is sine 52. Now this cos 146 can be written as 90 degree plus 56 plus this cos 142, it is actually 90 plus 52. Okay, plus sine of 124 can be written 90 plus 34. Okay, now half outside. It is sine 52 as usual. Now cos of 90 plus theta means what? Cos of 90 plus theta means actually minus sine theta. So it is minus sine 56, and it is minus sine 52 It is plus sine 34 plus sine 90 plus 34. That means sine of 90 plus theta is actually what? It is cos 34. Okay, so this and this is getting cancelled. So half outside, it is actually what? Minus sine 56. Now see, this cos 34 can be written as plus cos of 90 degree minus 56 degree. Okay. Okay. Now this is half outside. It is minus sine 56 degree. And all of us know that cos of 90 minus theta is actually sine theta. Okay, so this and this getting cancelled. So it is half into 0. That is 0 is equal to RHS. Okay, so LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. Okay, now we move on to the next question. So it is said that prove that sine 20 degree, sine 40 degree, sine 60 degree into sine 80 degree is equal to 3 by 16. So we take the LHS sine 20, sine 40, sine 60 and sine 80. Now from this we can we already know that the value of sine 60 is actually root 3 by 2. So we can directly put the value. Now from the first two terms, what we can do, we can multiply and divide it by 2. So half into 2 sine 20 degree into sine 40 degree. And if we just put the value of sine 60 into sine 80. Okay. Now it is half outside. Now you can see that in the bracket it is 2 sine 20 sine 40. So it is in the form of 2 sine A sine B. So what is the formula? It is cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Okay, into it is root 3 by 2 sine 80 degree. Okay, now it is half outside. It is actually what? Cos of minus 20. So cos of minus 20 is cos 20 only. Cos 20 minus it is cos 60 into root 3 by 2 sine 80 degree. Okay, so it is half outside. So it is actually what? This cos 20 as usual. Now the value of cos 60 we know it is half into root 3 by 2 sine 180. Now what we will do, we will multiply this root 3 by 2 and half, so it is root 3 by 4, and we will multiply sine 80 in the bracket, okay, under the bracket. So it is actually what? If we do this, it is actually cos 20 sine 80 minus sine 80 by 2. Now from this, if we from the bracket, if we take half common, so it is 2 cos minus sine 80. Okay. Now it is root 3 by 8. Now it is in the form of 2 cos A sine B. So it is actually what? Sine of 20 plus 80 minus sine of 20 minus 80 minus what we have, it is sine 80. Now see, this is root 3 by 8. This is actually what? This is sine 100. Now it is, see, here it is minus sine of 20 minus 80. So it is actually minus of sine of minus 60. So sine of minus 60 means minus sine 60. Minus minus plus. So it is plus sine 60 minus sine 80. Now it is root 3 by 8 into this. Sine 100 can be written in this form, that is 180 minus 80 plus sine 60 minus sine 80. Okay, so it is root 3 by 8. So sine 180 minus theta is actually what? It is sine theta. So sine 80 plus sine 60 minus sine 80. So this and this getting cancelled. So root 3 by 8 into sine 60. Sine 60 means actually root 3 by 2. So root into root 3, and it is 3 by 16 is equal to RHS. Okay. Now we move on to third question. Find the value of sine 78 minus sine 18 plus sine 30 minus sine 42. Okay. So just write the expression. It is sine 78 minus sine 18 plus sine 30 minus sine 42. Now, what will we do in this case? We will take 70 and 42. Okay. So we will write like this, that sine 78 minus sine 42. We will take 70 and 42 as a pair. Okay. So sine 78 minus sine 42 minus sine 18 plus sine 30. Now, if we here apply the formula of sine c minus sine d, so it is actually what? 2 cos c plus d by 2. That means 78 plus 42 by 2 sine c minus d by 2. That means 78 minus 42 by 2 minus sine 18 plus sine 30. Okay. So it is actually what? 2 cos 78 plus 42 means 120 by 2. That means 60 degree. And it is sine. It is 78 minus 42. That means actually 36. 36 by 2. That means sine 18 minus sine 18 we have plus sine 30. Now, all of us know the value of cos 60, that is half. So 2 into half into sine 18 minus sine 18 plus sine 30. Now 2 cancel. So it is actually what? Sine 18 minus sine 18 plus sine 30. So this and this getting cancelled. So sine 30 is the answer. So what is the value of sine 30? It is half. So answer is half. Okay. Now we move on to fourth question. So it is given that prove that sine theta plus sine 3 theta plus sine 5 theta plus sine 7 theta by cos theta plus cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta plus cos 7 theta equals to tan 4 theta. So at first we take the LHS. So sine theta plus sine 3 theta plus sine 5 theta plus sine 7 theta by cos theta plus cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta plus cos 7 theta. Now what will we do here? We will take sine theta. We will take sine theta and sine 7 theta as a pair, and 3 theta as and 5 theta as a pair. Here we will do also the same thing. Theta and 7 theta as a pair, 3 theta and 5 theta as a pair. Okay. So if you write like this, that sine theta plus sine 7 theta separately plus sine 3 theta plus sine 5 theta. Okay, so it is cos theta plus cos 7 theta plus cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta. Now we will apply the formula of sin c plus sin d and cos c plus cos d. Okay, so sin c plus sin d means 2 sine theta plus 7 theta by 2 cos theta minus 7 theta by 2 plus it is also same 2 sine 3 theta plus 5 theta by 2 cos 3 theta minus 5 theta by 2 by what we have cos c plus cos d 2 cos theta plus 7 theta by 2 cos theta minus 7 theta by 2 plus 2 cos 3 theta plus 5 theta by 2 cos 3 theta minus 5 theta by 2. Okay, so it is actually what? It is 2 sine theta plus 7 theta 8 theta by 2, that means sine 4 theta, and it is cos 3 theta. Why? Because theta minus 7 theta is minus 6 theta by 2, that means cos of minus 3 theta, that is cos 3 theta, plus it is 2 sine 4 theta. It is what? It is cos theta. Okay, by what we have is 2 cos 4 theta cos 3 theta plus 2 cos 4 theta cos theta. Okay, now from this we can take, from the numerator we can take 2 sine 4 theta common, so it is cos 3 theta plus cos theta, by from the denominator we can take 2 cos 4 theta common, so it is cos 3 theta plus cos theta. So you can see this and this getting cancelled, 2 getting cancelled, so it is sine 4 theta by cos 4 theta, that means what? It is tan 4 theta equal to RHS. Proved. Now we move on to fifth question. It is said, if 13 theta equals to pi, show that cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta plus 2 cos theta cos 9 theta is equal to 0. So at first we take the LHS. It is cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta plus 2 cos theta cos 9 theta. Okay, now see here in the last term it is cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta plus 2 cos theta cos 9 theta. So in the last term, if we see, it is in the form of 2 cos A cos B. Okay, so what we can write, it is cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta, as ever it will remain same, plus now it will become what? It is 2 cos A cos B form. So it is actually what? 2 sorry, this 2 cos A cos B means cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay, so it is cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta. It is cos 10 theta plus cos of, it is actually what? Cos of minus 8 theta. So it is cos 8 theta. Now, if you see carefully, in the question, it was given that 13 theta equals to pi. Okay, so if we here write 13 theta is equal to pi, now we can break this 13 theta in two ways. That is, first one is 8 theta plus 5 theta is equal to pi. Another we can write 10 theta plus 3 theta equal to pi. Why I'm writing this? Because we will get a relation from this. Sorry, we will get a relation from this, and we will get a relation from this. Okay. Now see. So in place of 8 theta, what we can write, it is pi minus 5 theta. In place of 10 theta, what we can write, it is pi minus 3 theta. Okay. So it is cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta plus it is cos 10 theta. So in place of 10 theta, we will write pi minus 3 theta plus cos of, in place of 8 theta, we will write pi minus 5 theta. Okay. So it is actually what? Cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta. Now cos pi minus theta means what? Cos pi minus theta means minus cos theta. So minus cos 3 theta minus cos 5 theta. So this cancel, this cancel. So it is 0 equal to RHS. Okay. Now we move on to sixth question. It is told that if a cos phi equals to b cos theta, show that a tan theta plus b tan phi equals to a plus b tan theta plus phi by 2. Okay. So at first, what is given? What is the given condition we have? It is a cos phi equal to b cos theta. That is a by cos theta equal to b by cos phi. Now let a by cos theta equal to b by cos phi equal to k. Okay. Say k not equal to 0. Okay. Now from this, what we can write, a equal to k cos theta and b equal to k cos phi. And another thing we can write that k equal to each ratio, we can write by addendo, it is a plus b by cos theta plus cos phi. Okay. Now we come to the LHS that we have been given. It is what? What is the LHS? It is a tan theta plus b tan phi. Okay. A tan theta plus b tan phi. So in place of tan theta, we will write, we'll break it in sine cos plus b into sine phi by cos phi. Okay. Now in place of a, we will write, we have got that a equals to k cos theta and b equals to k cos phi. Okay. So k cos theta into sine theta by cos theta plus k cos phi into sine phi by cos phi. So this cancelled, this cancelled. So it is k sine theta plus k sine phi. Now another thing we have got from the given condition that each ratio k is equal to a plus b by cos theta plus cos phi. So here we will take k common. It is sine theta plus sine phi. Okay. So in place of k, we will write a plus b into sine theta plus sine phi by cos theta plus cos phi. Just in the place of k, we have just put the value. Okay. So it is a plus b. Now if we simply just solve this part as sin c plus sin d by cos c plus cos d, then what will we get? Let's see. It is 2 sine theta plus phi by 2 cos theta minus phi by 2 by 2 cos theta plus phi by 2 cos theta minus phi by 2. So this getting cancelled, 2 cancel. So it is what? A plus B into tan of theta plus phi by 2 is equal to RHS. Proved. Now I move on to second question. It is said express 4 sin A cos B cos C as the sum of 4 sines. Okay. Now see, it is 4 sin A cos B cos C. Okay. Now 4 sin A cos B cos C. If we break this, it is we can write 2 sin A into 2 cos B cos C. We can break it in this way. Okay. So this is same. Now is it in the form of 2 cos B cos C? So actually it is what? Cos of B plus C, the bracket, cos of B plus C plus cos of B minus C. Okay. Now if I multiply 2 sin A, so 2 sin A cos B plus C plus 2 sin A cos B minus C. Now if you see carefully, it is the two individual terms are in the form of 2 sin A cos B. Okay, so it is actually what? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So sin A plus sin A minus B plus C. Okay, plus it is actually what? It is sin A plus B minus C plus sin A minus A sin A minus B minus C, another bracket. Okay, so it is actually what? It is sine of A plus B plus C plus sine of A minus B minus C plus sine of A plus B minus C plus sine of A minus B plus C. Okay, so we have proved that this 4 sin A cos B cos C can be written, or rather can be expressed in the form of 4 sines. That means in the form of in the we can express it as the sum of 4 sines. Okay, now we move on to the last question of today's class, and the eighth question. It is find the value of A for which cos A into sine of A minus pi by 6 is maximum. Okay, now for this sum we will take the given expression, that is let cos A into sine of A minus pi by 6 equal to P. Okay, equal to P. Now what will we do? We will multiply and divide the left hand side by 2. So it is half into 2 cos A sine of A by 6 equals to P. Okay, now half outside, it is in the form of 2 cos A sine B. So it is actually what? Sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. Okay, so half outside, it is actually what? Sine of 2A minus pi by 6 minus sine of, it is A cancel, so it is sine pi by 6 only. equals to P. Okay, so it is actually what, half into sine of 2a minus pi by 6 minus half equals to P. Okay, now in the given question we have to find the value of a for which this given expression will be maximum. Now P will be maximum when? P will be maximum. P will be maximum when sine of 2a minus pi by 6 is maximum. Okay, because this term has to be maximum for P to be maximum. Okay, so what is the maximum value of sine? It is sine, its maximum value is 1. So 1 is actually what, sine of pi by 2. So we can write sine of 2a minus pi by 6 equals to sine of pi by 2. It is the maximum value of sine. Okay, so from this we can write that 2a minus pi by 6 is equal to pi by 2, or from this 2a equals to pi by 2 plus pi by 6. Okay, so it is 2a, it is 6, it is 3 pi plus pi, so it is 2a equals to 4 pi by 6, or we can write a equals to 2 pi by 6, or we can write a equals to pi by 3. Okay, so what is the required value of a? Required value of a for which cos a into sine of a minus pi by 6 is maximum is pi by 3. Okay, so this is the required answer for this question. Okay, so that's it for this chapter. I hope that all of you have understood the chapter and you will be able to do all the problems from this chapter. So if you have any doubts regarding this chapter, then you can freely ask in the comment section. So we shall meet in the next video where we will start a new chapter. So until then, take care and stay safe. Thank you so much for watching.